Hello and welcome to Cook Up Style, where we explore sayings and proverbs of the Caribbean. Today we're going to look at this proverb. If you want good, your nose haffe run. It's translated as if you want good things, you must be willing to endure some unpleasantness. So, when would you drop this proverb? You drop this proverb in a situation where someone's struggling to achieve an academic accomplishment. Say someone's going for their doctorate, an advanced degree, a certification. They're pursuing a trade, and they're having a hard time of it. It's a lot of work, learning new things, and they need to stick in there. So this proverb really just encourages them to keep on going. Also, you could be in a situation where you're in a new role at work and it's really taxing. It's taking a lot out of you. And then the encouragement to keep on when it's tough is what's needed at different times. So let's look at a scenario that illustrates this proverb. Lord, me tired bad. Oof. If you want good, your nose have to run. All right, I hope you enjoyed that little scenario. And if these proverbs stir up memories or encourage or stir up interest, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll have some more for you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.